Hello friends, welcome to the Yellow Station. You are going to complete this station in 3 days, 3 class days, and I have it broken down by folder for you as well. So we're going to watch a video clip, do a discussion post, do vocabulary for Africa, and then do some vocabulary practice on our 3rd day. Okay, so day 1, if you click into the day 1 folder, you will see the video that we're going to watch. It says it's called Geography of Africa. It's when you start it, it will say land and resources. I know the quality isn't fabulous, but it has a lot of good information in it. And then there is also a discussion post for you to do. So you might want to peek at this first so you know what information I'm going to be asking you about related to the video. Okay, it's a 3, 2, 1 discussion post. So it's broken down into 3 things. So 3 pieces of new information, 2 things that you're wondering about, and then 1 question that you have related to the video. So you might want to jot down some notes while you're watching the video, so then you can easily answer that in here. Day 2, if we go back, we are doing vocabulary. So you will see in our station packet, we have a yellow handout with blank spots for vocabulary words. So this is called a Frayer model. We use this to learn different words. The words that you're going to use are listed here in that day 2 and 3 folder. Okay. So you will add those, and I have an example of what your handout will look like. You will add those to the middle of each of those boxes on your handout, the word, and then you'll define it in one of the sections. A non-linguistic representation is a picture, so like a little sketch of it. You're going to list 1 synonym and 1 antonym. If you have to look those up, you can, as to what those mean. And then you're going to use the word in a complete sentence there too. Okay, so there's 1 box for each word on your handout for the yellow handout. Okay, so we're going to do that on day 2 and day 3. And then whatever time you have left on day 3, there is a Quizlet for you to practice vocabulary, because we will eventually quiz on vocabulary as well. Okay, so you utilize your time, whatever time you have left, you should do that Quizlet.